I'll be showing you how to make a rubber band ball. So start off with one rubber band, roll it up, and keep going around it until it stops overlapping. As you can see, this looks a bit of like a starburst, these colors. Well, now it doesn't. Guys, just keep repeating it, and I'll show you the results in a second. So guys, after like 2 minutes of doing it, here's my rubber band ball. Let it focus. And it's blue if you can see it. And it also bounces. So there's your video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like it, subscribe. Peace.